There are many frying pan products available to choose from, each with different features, benefits, and prices. I have done extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best frying pans from reputable brands to help you make an informed decision. After a lot of research, I found these products to be the best for you. If you want to know about the price and other information, please remember to check my description. So without further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 5. Gotham Steel Frying Pan. Rating 4.4. This supersized skillet has an XL capacity with room enough to serve the entire family. Perfect for big meals, hosting parties, family dinners, and more. The pan has a wide flat bottom, non-stick surface, and gently sloped sides with a helper handle perfect for everything from scrambling eggs and sautéing vegetables to searing meats, making pancakes, and much more. Hammered, elegant yet practical, the Gotham Steel Hammered Collection is beautiful and makes a statement in every kitchen, yet non-stick, lightweight, scratch-resistant, and dishwasher-safe. Number 4. Blue Diamond Frying Pan. Rating 4.5. Our diamond-infused coating delivers 5x more strength and lasts 10x longer than conventional coatings, metal utensil safe. Our pans heat up super quickly and evenly to save you time and energy. Say goodbye to cold or hot spots with the incredible heat transfer of Blue Diamond. This collection's healthy ceramic non-stick coating is free of phos, FOA, lead, and cadmium. The durable aluminum construction offers extreme strength with quick and even heating every single time. Featuring a heavy-duty forged base, these extremely tough pans will tackle countless meals without warping, wobbling, or degrading over time. Number 3. Utopia Kitchen Frying Pan. Rating 4.6. The 3-piece frying pan set includes an 8-inch, 9, 5-inch, and 11-inch frying pans to fit you and your family's varying cooking needs. The induction bottom of the frying pans is suitable for all types of cooking, including electric and ceramic cooktops. The professional-grade aluminum makes the frying pan durable, lightweight, and sturdy. The pans have high-quality double-coated non-stick interior, which allows for easier cooking and cleanup. FOA, lead, and cadmium-free. Number 2. Sensart Non-Stick Frying Pan. Rating 4.6. Switzerland Elag Non-Stick Coating, SGS approved. FOA-free, safe, and healthy. The Bakelite handle features wood-grain design. It is comfortable to grip and stays cool while cooking. Oven safe to 302F. High magnetic conductive stainless steel base. The non-stick skillet bottom is flat and thick, which helps distribute heat evenly and quickly. Suitable for all stove, including induction cooktop. The non-sticking pan inside is made of cast aluminum, which is more sturdy and long-lasting. Super easy to clean up. Just wipe it with a paper towel or rinse it with water. Dishwasher safe. Number 1. Vinchef Non-Stick Frying Pan. Rating 4.7. Vinchef Sauté Pan uses Germany 3C Plus ceramic reinforced coating technology, has excellent abrasion resistance and extreme long-lasting. FOA and APO-free, protect your food safety. To let our non-stick skillet meet the needs of more families, we specially designed the induction pan bottom. You can choose gas stove, induction stove, electric stove, halogen stove, or ceramic stove at will. Heat evenly and quickly. The ergonomic handle is Bakelite and equipped with a thermal sensor. When frying pans reaches 300, which is the optimum heating level, the silicons start to change color. Put the vegetables at the right temp can reduce oily smoke. Ending here for today. Every day I will make different good product videos to help you. So subscribe to my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know the price of the product, see my description for any kind of problem. Please comment below. Stay updated with our great products as they will make your life easier and more beautiful.